Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to install WhatsApp on BlueStacks in 2026. So if you want to use WhatsApp on your PC through Android emulation, this tutorial will walk you through the setup step by step. First, launch BlueStacks from your desktop or Start menu and wait for the emulator to fully load. If you haven't already signed in, open the Google Play Store and log into your Google account using your Gmail and password. Next, open the Play Store search bar and type WhatsApp Messenger. Make sure you select the official WhatsApp app before installing. Once setup is complete, you can start chatting, sending files, making voice calls, or using WhatsApp directly from your PC through BlueStacks. And that's basically how to install WhatsApp on BlueStacks in 2026. Now you can use WhatsApp on your PC with a bigger screen and keyboard support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.